New Year's Eve dinners feel way too expensive? This one tastes just like a steakhouse, under $20 a person. I've got 3 quick tips to make this come out perfect. Tip number 1, don't overcrowd the pan. Sear the beef in 2 batches. Tip number 2, brown your mushrooms before you sauce anything. Let them sit in the pan. This is how they get that deep, savory flavor. And tip number 3, let the meat decide the timing. Tenderloin just needs a quick warm through in the sauce, but sirloin should simmer on a low for a few extra minutes until it's tender. Then turn off the heat and adjust the seasoning to your liking. It looks fancy, but it is only beef, mushrooms, cherry tomatoes, broth, and a couple pantry boosters. As is, it serves 2 to 3. Pair it with a veggie or a side of rice or cauliflower rice, and you'll easily get 3 to 4 plus servings. Well, if this helped you to have a tasty New Year dinner, please like and subscribe, and check out my other videos on screen. My goal is to bring you bold, time-saving, one-pan flavor that works for all ages and budgets, especially 55 plus. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate your time. I will catch you next time. Wishing everyone a happy, healthy New Year.